Hello, welcome to the DJ Epicness. We are here, and welcome to Bonfire Night, guys.
Again.
James is burning. This is the second part of Bonfire Night. James is burning. The heck? This is what he's built.
Anal rape pig.
He's anal raping a pig, and if you look inside the pig, he's
There's jizz.
it's just wrong. And the pig's saying, "Kill me."
I'm awesome.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna. Whoa,
I've set it on fire, by the way.
We're just gonna, I can see the whole guy's testicles already been burnt off. So yeah. So hope you enjoy Bonfire
I'm
Night.
miss all of this.
We were enjoying it over here at the DJ Epicness. We've got a small little bonfire. We've got some nice cuddling round. A nice. It's not really a bonfire. It's more of a chip pan fire after our small accident with the chips. That's fine. Just a slight problem with that. But you know we're happy because you know we've got burnt chips and a really hot fire, and fireworks.
And now we're gonna have bacon.
And now we're gonna have bacon.
Because the pig's gonna be set on fire.
Of course. Who doesn't
It
want
doesn't
more?
appear to be on fire.
Yeah, that's because I keep on lagging out, but you know. Right. Most of this fire will actually disappear, but you know.
I see the fire. Yeah, this pig's gone.
This ping is a goner. Oh no, the cun's burning.
I am an extreme murderer. I've just killed thousands and thousands of things.
Oh wow, this is.
I have
What are you
killed
blowing up?
thousands of little children.
No.
What are you blowing up? Oh my god, his eyes is slowly burning. He's burning.
What? I'm missing all of this.
His nose is on fire. Oh my. Oh, you
Holy
killed me.
crap. Hey, the kill meat's on fire. Forgot about that bit.
His eyes are burning. Oh, who put TNT in there?
Children, don't try this at home.
Whoa.
Or should I say, don't try this on Minecraft. It will go wrong.
Your Minecraft though.
I'm sick. Is everything on fire?
Yeah.
No, I'm just destroying everything that isn't on fire now.
No, you just set it on fire. Whatever isn't, just set on fire again.
No, he's just blowing it up with a mining laser.
Oh, bitch. Well, I'm setting it on fire, but because I'm lagging, it looks like shit. Boom. Haha, you can't do anything, you Enderman, because, you know, I'm lagging like hell. Are you recording?
Yeah, man. So, from DJ Epicness to you, we wish you a happy bonfire night.
I'm gonna burn the cloud as well.
We wish you a happy bonfire night. We wish you a happy bonfire night. We wish you a happy bonfire night. And a happy bonfire night. Yeah.
Wow. That is gonna make us millions.
Which way? Which way's home?
On that, like, goodbye. Bye bye.